Can you believe this? President Cyril Ramaphosa has assigned Aubrey Dwaba to be the judge of the Gauteng division of the High Court, even after all the controversies. If you have forgotten, is that Aubrey Dwaba was suspected to have taken 2.5 million in bribe from Katise Molefe, the man who murdered DJ Sambodi, and also the engineer Armand Swart. So Katise Molefe was not supposed to be granted bail because his bail ended up being 500,000 rands for the many cases, and Aubrey Dwaba is the person that allowed all of this to happen. So this is very disheartening, like after all of this controversy. But obviously Aubrey Dwaba has denied this, saying that no, he didn't take the 2.5 million bribe. But even though there are witnesses that say this is what actually happened. But besides him, President Cyril Ramaphosa assigned many other judges. You have other judges such as Justice Bashir Veli as the judge of the Supreme Court of Appeal with effect from 1 June 2026 in an existing vacancy. Madam Justice Leni Wendell as the judge of the Supreme Court of Appeal with effect from 1 June 2026 in an existing vacancy. And also Justice Aubrey Dwaba as the Judge President of the Gauteng Division of the High Court with effect from 15 May 2026 in an existing vacancy. Yearly Dwaba is going in. Other notable judges are Ms. Nolubulelo Tengani Mbakaza as the Judge of the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court Mthatha with effect from 1st July 2026 in an existing vacancy. Also Advocate Sally Ann Colette as the Judge of the Eastern Cape Division in the High Court Makhanda with effect 1st July 2026 in an existing vacancy. We don't know if the other judges have some scandals, but we do know that Aubrey Dwaba definitely has a link to him getting bribed 2.5 million rands by Katise Molefe. And I'm asking myself, where does Katise Molefe get this money? It means his assassinations and murders were very lucrative. He was getting paid serious money. Or the people who hired him to do all of these acts actually paid for his, bribe and also for his bail. So yeah, man, this is like something very crazy. So like, I guess we kind of have to accept, because we don't have any proof that Aubrey Dwaba actually took the bribe. I guess it was in cash, it wasn't transferred, because obviously as a judge you need to be way smarter how you accept these bribes, because I do think every judge does accept a bribe. On my side, I do think Aubrey took this bribe, because how does Katise Molefe actually get bail? Like, he's the number one person that is an actual